What's up, guys? We're at football for Lily right over there, and Audie, he's actually out on the field. So, thanks for tuning into the Ultimate Family Channel. Let's watch some football. Roll that intro.
Greatness did this one.
Ooh, there we go. So this is Cohen's first football game, flag football. Alright guys, here we go. Lily and Audie's first football game. They're about to begin, waiting for this one to get over. However, Cohen is playing right over there, which is going to make this super difficult. His game is also just about to start. So I went and said hi to Cohen, wished him good luck. Now, try to catch up with Audie and Lily and tell them the same. We're going to sit in between them and watch. Alright, so there's Cohen's team right there. They just got a touchdown, so now they're going for the extra point. And I'm not sure if Cohen is out there. It's really hard to tell. But Audie's game and Louis' game is seconds away from starting. See if they get this extra point in over here. Probably. Let's go, boys. While we wait for, oh, there it is. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, no good. It's no good. No good. That's all right. But then there is the rest of them. All right, like I said, their game is about to begin. Figuring out who gets kickoff, which they don't actually do. They just start them down at the, was it the 10 or the 5, something like that. Start them down on the other side of the field and then just go. But this is exciting. This is their first game. Louis' first football game ever. Yes, she is playing. And girls can play. Let's go, baby. Alright, so Cohen, his team is on defense. They about got a play coming down. But Audie and Louis' game is just about to begin. So let's zoom in over here real quick, get you guys a view of that. First play. Audie's in. Louis is on the sideline. She's right there. There it is, game time. Sorry, I was trying to see if I was zoomed in already. Hard to see with the glare of the sun. Update on Cohen's team. The other team got the ball to about the 10-yard line, so they're almost there. Here we go, nice run, get them red. We are red on this side. Audie and Lily are red. And Cohen over here is yellow. Ooh, looks like they pushed him further back. Looks like they might be at the 1-yard line. Oh yeah, they are. They're at the 1-yard line over there. Ooh, that's gonna be close. See if they get their play off before the older kids over here. This makes it fun. Watch 2 games at once. Nope, they're gonna get theirs off first. So second play in. Oh, what are they doing? Another run. Got him right at the line. Nice. Alright, here comes that 1-yard line play. I'm excited to see what they do, how they do. Oh, let me get you guys pointed. There we go. Sorry about that. Hey, they pushed them back. That's nice. Way to go. Way to go, yellow. Pass play over here. Ooh, knockdown. Knockdown, no good. Alright, they're getting closer. I want to say this is third. Oh, offsides. Jumped early. Cohen think their team's on offense. Yeah, they are. Go, go, go. Oh, not that way. Yeah, keep going, keep going. All the way, all the way. He's going all the way. He's gone. Yeah, look at that. That kid is quick. All the way from in the infield. The goal all the way. Yeah, that was awesome. That was so awesome. From goal to goal. He ran. Oh, he's ready. Look at him. He's ready to go get that flag. You heard him. They got a block, but pass. It's a pass. Catch that. Nice. Yes, interception. All the way, all the way. Come on, baby. Yes, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Nice. Woo! Way to go, Red. Let's go, Red. Nice. Nice done. Alright, Louie's in. This is her first play. Pass play. Oh, he's scrambling. Oh, nice. Nice. It was good. Probably just missed half that. My bad. That's it. Lily and Audie are both in. Oh, dang. Audie tried to recover that. He's on the ground. Let's go, baby. Alright, Red just got a touchdown. Let's go. That was a good run. Going for the extra points. Going over here on the other side. Let's get a clip of this real quick. They are just about to go down and get their play kicked off too. Here we go. Here we go. Pass. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, good try. Good try, good try. All right, here we go. Nice hustle. Got it. Good job. No gain. No gain on the play. Over here at Cohen's game, I think they're about done. Yeah, I think so.
Ooh.
Hold on.
Is it a done beef?
All the way. Got his flag. Way to go, Red. Way to go. Hey, just for people that may not know, there's a sign that says no parking all the way down the line. And guess what? They're getting tickets. Ouch. Make sure you park legally. So this is part of Cohen's game. I got a little clip of Audie and Louie's game, but not much. We had to run over here to get Cohen warmed up. Cohen's QB. Yeah, there, boy. Woo! Go, go, go. Oh.
Sawyer, eyes on the running back.
Nope, he's running a little early. Go forward, go forward, go forward. There you go. Oh, keep going, keep going.
He's stuck.
Alright, so Cohen was just QB, handed it off to Jet, and they got a touchdown. Now they're going for the extra point. Alright, Cohen's on the line now.
Look at that.
Okay.
It's almost like an old.
Makes it work. That's what we got. I wish we had time to grab. I wish we had time to grab the canopy like what's over there is what I was saying. Ours is just it's awesome. Sun Ninja, but it's just flapping in the wind because it's super windy out. We're just trying to help get the team some shade because it's a hot day. And they got games back to back, so we're going to be playing right here on this field for the first game. Just started, and then we'll actually be going over there to the second play. I know, that was awesome. Way to go, guys. So sweet. All right, here we go. Lily's in now. Yeah, on the south field. Pass. Oh, good throw. Good block. Good block. Nice. That was a good play right there.
What's your RuneScape?
Oh, my favorite game. Nice. Ooh, ouch. Annoying. All right, here we go. Reds play. Handoff. Keep going. Keep going. Go, go, go. Keep going. Find somebody to block, Lily.
Run, run. Go, Percy!
All the way. Woo. Man, hey, they didn't give up. They kept running. They kept running. Good job.
But the wind blew it down.
Pass. Good job. Good short. Nice, nice play.
I guess this thing likes my hair.
Okay. Oh, good try. Good try. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That was not a play it was supposed to be. Yes. Oh, good try. Good try. Get it. Get it. Hustle, hustle. How do you get in there? Good try. Pushed him out. All right, here we go. Here we go. Pass play. Yes. Go, go, go. Keep going. Oh, man, he grabbed his shorts. Oh, no. Good play. Oh, no, the grass caught him. That's all right. Missed it, but you just got a sack. Oh. Get it? Get a flag? Oh, good try. Yeah. That's all right. Let him have it. It's all good. That's all good. That's all good. All right, here we are at Cohen's game. Cohen is out there. He's got the green shorts on. Kind of hard to see, but he's doing a little dance. Doing a little dance out there. So Audie and Lily won both their games, I believe. Cohen's just started a little bit ago. And this guy's quick. Here he comes. They got him. Way to go, Cohen. Woo! Attaboy. What? You did good. Yeah, buddy. That's how we do it right there. So our team got a little confused back here on offense, and they kept running back to the opponent's goal. Luckily, they made it out to the 1 yard line on the second time, and then they got their flag pulled, so there wasn't a safety, but it was pretty funny to see. Good try. That's a good try. This is that fun age where they're learning how to play and everything, so it makes it really fun to watch. Good job. There you go, Cohen. Woo. All right, Cohen's on offense. Good job. They're blocking. Oh, man. That's all right. Here we go. Back at it again. Go all the way. He's gone. Go, baby, go. Oh, that kid was quick and just took him out. Oh, man. Oof. That was a little violent. Tackle football a little bit. Come on, Adrenaline. Go, Colin, go. Go, baby, go. Kick it in gear. Yeah. No good. Looks like it got pushed out. Here we are in defense again. Run to the right. Ooh. Good try. Good try. Alright, now we got Colin as QB. Here we go again. Yep, he's gone. Ooh, just about. Yep, he's still going. All the way. Cut across again. It's good. Touchdown. Woo-woo. Well, that's going to do it for Colin's game today. And if you guys enjoyed the vlog, smash the thumbs up. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button. And head over to the Arctic Vet channel to find out what happened here. Wait a second. Maybe it'll happen here. We'll see. Catch y'all on the next one. Have a blessed day. God bless y'all.
Don't ever give up, God is here with you. You are a child, nothing but love is true. Just got a fixed view, keep your eyes on the prize. That's life everlasting, only through Jesus Christ. He came to die.